Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to get all the VIP auras in Aura Craft game. So first of all, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video guys. Let's start the video. So first of all guys, you have to visit the shop right there. Yeah. So there is a shop, you have to visit here, and you can see that the VIP aura can be purchased by 299 Robux. So if you want to make VIP auras guys, then you need a VIP uh, aura to make all the VIP auras. The first VIP aura is Crimson King, and you can make Crimson King using VIP and fire, and you will get Crimson King. After this, if you combine Crimson King and VIP aura, you will get Knight. And once you have Knight aura, combine Knight with VIP and you will get royalty power. And once you have royalty power guys, just combine royalty power with VIP and you will get crown. So these are all for VIP auras guys, and if you want to get it, you have to spend Robux, and I have told you that all the recipes to get it. Hope you get it, hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos. Till then.